In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share access to your dashboard. This allows for multiple operators to manage users and their access levels. This feature includes two types of users. Internal users, that includes employees and technicians of the farms who work with devices. Hosting customers, for companies who provide hosting services. They can give access to customers to see or manage their own miners. To add a new user, navigate to the User Management page, Internal Users on the sidebar menu. In the Internal Users section, choose Create a new user. In the opening menu, enter the user's email address, then select the user's permission and the farms you want to give access to them. And you can select multiple farms. After saving, an activation email will send to the users that will ask them to define a password. User Management part defines access to User Management menu. In the Devices Management part, you can select the accessibilities that are divided by Viewer, Technician, Manager. In the Maintenance part, you can choose Technician and Manager. Select your desired farm in the Accessible Farms part. Then save. You can see the login time of the users here. By clicking on three-dot menu in front of the user, you can delete or edit it. After saving, an activation email will send to the users that will ask them to define a password. Hosting customers. To add a new customer, navigate to the User Management page, Hosting Customers, on the side menu. In the Hosting Customers section, choose Register a new customer. In the opening menu, enter the customer's email address. Then select the customer's permissions. After saving, an activation email will send to the users that will ask them to define a password. Viewer, Full Access. After registering a new customer to assign miners that they can access, click on three-dot menu in front of the user. Click Edit to reach the device page. You can filter devices by farm or section, then add devices you want. You can see the login time of the users too. Also, you can delete the users from here. If the user log in with their email, they will access only to the devices we define. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.